Well, my name is Rafael Amaro. I work for a small independent mortgage banker based out of North Carolina, Premier Lending. But I'm local here. I live in the community. I work mainly state of Florida, Texas, and Georgia. I guess the most important is your human capital, the people that you have here. So I have a transaction 3 weeks ago. Seems to be a very simple transaction to be done. It got complicated, it got declined. So I called Frank, our account rep here at A&D, and we checked everything. We double checked everything with him. And I said, seems to be something that we could do. And he got it done. There was issues on the file, but his level of knowledge of the product and how to handle this transaction inside the company, inside your company, make it work. And we were able to close in 3 weeks after he took over the file. I'm using it and getting better. And I understand there is 42 million Gen Z up there trying to buy, so I need to appeal more to those consumers. Pot amount. If you don't have a great lender, a great partner, and in top of that, a great account rep like Frank, it's gonna be practically impossible to get a transaction done and have everybody satisfied, meaning sellers and buyers. So there's pot amount. You need to have a good relationship, and you gotta have a good aid. Constant information or constant update of the status of the file. We want to know when there's a problem automatically. We wouldn't want to wait 3 days to find out there is an issue with the transaction. Another great perk that I can offer is what we have right now: direct communication with account reps and direct communication with underwriting. The most rewarding part is see a new family getting in a new home and being able to be part of that American dream, okay, that they're trying to achieve. Be able to help them get inside the house. Because you can go to many banks, but having the opportunity to establish a relationship, a friendship with these customers and see them succeed, and then years after year, you see they growing and they keep coming back to you because they want your help again. That's, unbelievable feeling. Be able to serve people. Let's just bring one transaction, the one that I just closed with Frank. If it wasn't A&D, I probably would not be able to fulfill my desire, okay, my goal to help this family get into an apartment here in South Florida. Condo market in South Florida is unique, okay? Very complicated, very difficult. And find a partner or a lender like A&D, specifically an account rep like Frank, that's able to walk you through the process and make it easy for the client and ourselves is unbelievable. I guess my commitment to the clients, my commitment that I know their situation can be transformed. They can become homeowners, and if they don't, the opportunity to give them a mortgage plan and work with them through the month, maybe sometimes 2 years, in order to be able to help them achieve what they're trying to achieve. The secret to closing deals fast is start by asking the right question at the beginning and discover all the potential pitfalls, all the potential minefields, okay, that the transaction could have, addressed it up front and made the clients aware that what are the situation and what can they expect during this process. My perfect lender is the one that when they say yes, it is a yes, okay? They communicate, and that's what A&D have made a big progress on that.